How to fix Snapchat friends Bitmoji not showing up. So if you want to fix the Snapchat friends Bitmoji not showing up, then simply you just need to check your internet connection, because if you don't have a stable internet connection, then you will face this kind of problems. So check your internet connection, and if you have a stable internet connection, then you just need to simply go with your Play Store. Once you go with your Play Store, go with the search and go with search bar and search for Snapchat. Once you search here, you will have your application. So if you have any updates under your application, then simply tap on update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply tap and hold on to your Snapchat, go with your info, and then tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache, and your problem might be fixed. And the next thing you need to do is open up your Snapchat, go with the profile, which is on the upper left, and then go with settings, which is on the upper right. Scroll down, tap on clear cache, and then tap on continue. Once you've done that, you need to go with I spotted a bug, and then choose Bitmoji option if you have the Bitmoji. But if you don't have that, then you just need to simply go with profile, and then here you need to write that I'm not being able to find my friend's Bitmoji, it's not showing up, and please help me with that problem. And then you can also add some attachments. You can add a screenshot of that and tap on submit, which is on the bottom. You can also choose the topic, which is Bitmoji, and then tap on submit, and your problem will be fixed. So these were the fixes on how you can fix your Snapchat friends Bitmoji not showing up. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.